Hey, welcome back to DIY Willie. This is just a little quick, I don't know, fill the blank video. I need to move the blue bug. I need to move it over here because we're going to be taking the trailer out for this weekend. A little camping adventure for my birthday. Visit with the family and just have a good time for a few days. So the bug has got to go. It's got to move. It hasn't started in quite a while. I assume the battery's dead. I know it's out of gas because it ran out of gas putting it in that spot. So I'm going to put some gas in it. We're going to check, try to start it. And if it doesn't start, we're going to charge the battery and move it. But let's do that. Couple gallons of the old 87. We go in here, just like this. Put the gas cap back on. There we go. Now I want to check the oil. It does have a small oil leak. So we'll check out the oil right now. Oh, look at the cobwebs. Oh man, that's kind of disappointing. Oh, look at the alternator. It's getting a lot of corrosion on it. That's sad. That's sad. I'm really letting this thing go. Let me see the oil. It looks like it's okay. Smells all right. We'll just stick it back in there and go with it. Poor engine. It needs a good cleanup. Now I'll go ahead and get inside it. Oh, it pulls the seal out. Look at that. Pulled the seal out. Stuck in there. Anyway, here's inside. Let's see if we can get it to start over. It smells like an old car. It's nice to be in here again. Been a while. Let's see if we got any juice in it at all. Give it a couple of pumps, the accelerator. There's a clickety clackety pump come on. Put it in neutral. I'll turn off the radio. Come on, come on. Oh, we almost had it. All right, so I got to put it on the charger for a while, bring that battery back up, and then we'll give it a try. All right, it's been on the charger now for a while. Let's see where we're at. It looks like a little over 50%. What, that almost 70%, 75%, something like that. I think that's probably good enough to get it started. I got to reconnect the battery though. I always disconnect the battery when I put the charger on. All right, let's give it another try. Should start now. Put the key in the ignition. Turn it on, you hear the pump. Gear shift, give it a couple pumps. Turn the radio off. We don't want the radio making noise. There it goes. It's amazing what it'll do with a fresh battery. It runs pretty good when it's running. Carburetors are a little out of tune right now. I need to get in there and clean them out. I'll probably, they leak a little bit around one of the gaskets, so I'll take them out, clean them up, and then retune them and set them. It's running. Let's move it. Warm up a little bit. get the blood circulated. It hasn't really ran in a long time. All right, let's move it. Oh! See it. Mrs. Willie says she wants it backed in this time. So we'll back it in. A little bit of blue smoke. No power steering. Arr! There we go. See if we get it in here. That should be good enough. Get it tucked in here away. Woohoo! There we go. Smoke it a little bit. Load it up. Oven. Runs good. I miss driving it. But as we've discussed before, it's got some problems with the carburetors, with the front suspension. There is also an electrical gremlin that pulls the battery down over time. I think it might be the alternator that's pulling it down. I've tried to connect the test light and then pull fuses out, and I couldn't get it to go off. So I believe it's the alternator. And we'll get to that one day. We'll check it out. But we really need to do the suspension upgrades on this. Either put the new springs from the 70s beam in there, put the air shocks so we can lift the front up, and redo the carburetors and tune it up as I mentioned. And give it an oil change. It's been a while since it's had an oil change. It's been sitting for a long time. Anyway, that was just a quick video. Oh, I gotta turn it off. Anyway, that was just a quick video of getting the old bug started and moving it over here, getting it kind of out of the way so that we could move the trailer to take it camping. It actually started up pretty good. If it wasn't for the battery, it would have been really easy to start, but since the battery was dead, it took a little while to charge the battery. Anyway, just a quick video about the 68, moving it around. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it. Leave a comment down below in the comment section about the car if you want to know anything about it. Any questions? No, it's not for sale. I really love this car. I did a lot with this car. And, well, thanks for stopping by and checking out the video. Come back to DIY Willie for your Volkswagen needs, your Razor, your truck, your Samurai, whatever it is we have. We have a lot going on. I'm going to take a few days off right now and go camping, spend some time with the family. But I'll see you guys again next week. And well, that's it. I'll see you later. Bye.